Hi guys, hope you have downloaded VNC Viewer. I have already VNC Viewer in my laptop, so I'm going to open VNC Viewer now. Here we go, and we need to get the IP address of Raspberry Pi. In my case, my IP address is 192.168.1.210. So I'm going to enter that IP address in the VNC Viewer. So 192.168.1.210. So we are connecting now. Let's continue, and username is pi, password is raspberry. Okay, and this is some common warnings because we have enabled SSH, and you can see the welcome to Raspberry Pi desktop, and you can give next here. And let's set the country. Basically I'm from India, so we are searching for India. mm, we reached we are searching Iraq, Iran, Indonesia, India. So finally we reached India, and language is going to be English, and it's Kolkata. So give next, and we need to wait few seconds. I'm going to maximize my Raspberry Pi. And now you can see still the resolution is not matched, but still we can enter a new password. So I'm going one as my password. Basically I'm so lazy to type a lengthy password, so you can see the password is one. So next, so now we have changed the default username, sorry, default password into one. So now we are searching for networks. We are already connected with the network, so we can skip the step. And yeah, we can skip this step, and later this option can be done in later. And I can show you some interesting things about a Raspberry Pi now. Like it's having a start button or terminal, file manager. You can click on start button and you can see lots of editors here, and have office, education, office, and lot of editors available here, and media player, graphics, games, accessories, everything is available in Raspberry Pi. So going to a Raspberry Pi configuration here, and interface option, you can see camera, SSH, VNC, SPI, I2C. So I'm going to enable all options, which will be useful in future. So I'm trying to click on OK, but I think we have a problem with resolution. um, yeah, we have problem with resolution, so I need to set the resolution into a proper one. So we can do that in my upcoming chapter, how to set the resolution, and later on we can enable all features. So see you in my next chapter.